Our snow message is get where you need to be before the event occurs. So if you're in the office and you know you need to get home that evening, the snow starts at noontime like it's predicted to tomorrow, we ask you to leave early enough so that you're off the roads when the snow begins. You're home, you're safe. If you cannot get home, then we ask you to stay in your office until the event is over. VDOT has an opportunity to treat the roads, make it safe and passable. Then we ask you to go home. So stay off the roads while the event is occurring. Get where you need to be before the event occurs. In addition to that, we're asking our residents to look around, either their homes or their places of business or anywhere in the county. If they see somebody in need, especially when the weather is so cold, we ask you to dial 703-691-2131, and we will send somebody out to assist and to evaluate those individuals to see if they need medical assistance or just provide sheltering for them. It's very cold. We need to make sure that our residents are safe. Additional information can be obtained through the Fairfax County Emergency blog. There's a lot of information about winter preparedness. There is a lot of information about general emergency preparedness any time for all hazards. We also have information about how to sign up for our CEAN, our Community Emergency Alert Network. And we provide information to our residents free of charge about emergencies or important information that they may need to have anytime, any day.